this video, we are going to learn the simple method of mockups. So what's the first step? Go to Google and search free t-shirt PSD mockups and see what's trending. Websites like Mockup World or Mockup Tree are a good place to start. Once you find a template you like, download it to your computer and open it in Photoshop. This particular t-shirt mockup has two folders for either a print design or a full t-shirt option. When you encounter pre-made mockups like this one, they often have replacement layers labeled for ease of use. A rookie mistake would be to delete this layer and position your design in the same place. What you really want to do is look for a smart object icon on the layer thumbnail, so that you can double click it and open it in its own composition and make necessary adjustments in here. I will drag in my own t-shirt design, resize it, and hold Ctrl S once to save. You can close the smart object now and see that your design has been placed on the mockup. Save this as a JPEG and you're done. You don't have to stop here. Consider other mockups and see how you can integrate them into your workflow. There are literally thousands of free assets to choose from, so it's worth giving it a go. And this was Design Dummy.